Geosense Wi-SOS 480 is a long-range wireless sensor network which can be connected to a wide range of sensors and is used extensively within geotechnical and structural monitoring. We are going to look at its use in a Crossrail project in London at Liverpool Street Station. Deep foundation works to a depth of 25 metres are now well underway. The site is fast-moving and complex, consequently it wasn't feasible to run multiple cables from sensors across various zones on the site, and so they opted for the Geosense Wi-SOS 480 system. Instruments being used are digital in-place inclinometers monitoring potential deflection of the retaining walls, vibrating wire piezometers monitoring pore water pressure, and vibrating wire strain gauges to monitor strain within the support props. All are connected to nodes which transmit the data wirelessly to the gateway, which is shown here located in the contractor's office. What makes Wi-SOS 480 different to other wireless systems is the use of data modulation via the Worldsensing G6 Platform. It means a highly flexible and cost-effective solution for projects such as this where cabling is not possible and where real-time monitoring is required. We are going to carry out a series of signal coverage tests radiating out from this site to show just how far a usable wireless signal can be achieved in a dense urban environment. The signal coverage is checked using spreading factors which confirm the signal strength between the node and the gateway. As the node is fitted with GPS, its location can be pinpointed on a map viewed through the Wi-SOS Webcentre. The signal coverage test kit comprises a node and Android tablet. The data has been modulated and a reading on any one of the 6 spreading factors shown here signifies successful data transmission. The first test shows full signal strength, 10 out of 10 and 5 out of 5. The gateway is up there in one of those offices. We carried out further tests as shown on this map by the red circles radiating away from the gateway. It is in a heavily built up area with tall buildings and heavy traffic between us and the gateway. Nevertheless, all gave full strength readings, including this one, about 400 metres away near the Swiss Tower, affectionately known as the Gherkin. East of the gateway, and we are in Liverpool Street Station for the last test. One thing to consider is the amount of metal and potential interference there is in a railway station. For a lot of systems, this would cause a real problem. But we have a usable signal despite the potential interference. A good illustration of how useful a coverage test can be prior to positioning nodes. The data can now be viewed online on the Wi-SOS Webcentre. It can be visualised, downloaded or forwarded to any FTP server. These tests demonstrate the range and power of Geosense Wi-SOS 480 even in extreme urban environments. It allows planning and confirmation of the success of a wireless sensor network before a project even starts. We believe the Wi-SOS 480 is what the instrumentation and monitoring industry has been waiting for.